In a small town nestled between rolling hills and lush meadows lived a boy named Ethan. He was a dreamer, his heart filled with aspirations as vast as the sky itself. But amongst those dreams, one shone brighter than the rest, his love for Amelia. Amelia was the sunshine in Ethan's world. Her laughter was music to his ears, her smile, a beacon of hope in his darkest days. He loved her deeply, so much so that he would do anything to make her happy. From small gestures like bringing her favorite flowers to grand plans of traveling the world together, Ethan's love knew no bounds. But Ethan had a shadow lurking within him, his overthinking mind and bouts of depression. These unseen demons often tangled his thoughts, suffocating his aspirations and dreams. He'd envision scenarios where he'd fail Amelia, where his efforts would be futile, where his love wouldn't be enough. Despite his inner struggles, Ethan resolved to make his dreams a reality. He poured his heart into his studies, aiming for a career that could provide for Amelia and himself. He worked tirelessly, burning the midnight oil, fueled by his love for her. Yet, the more Ethan tried, the more the weight of his thoughts bore down on him. He'd find himself paralyzed by the fear of failure, unable to move forward. His dreams seemed to slip further away with each passing day, leaving him drowning in despair. One rainy afternoon, Ethan sat by the window, watching raindrops race down the glass. His mind, as turbulent as the storm outside, wrestled with thoughts of inadequacy and hopelessness. It was then that he heard a gentle knock on the door. Amelia stood there, her eyes filled with concern. She saw the pain etched on Ethan's face, the turmoil raging within him. Without a word, she wrapped her arms around him, holding him close. In that moment, Ethan felt a glimmer of peace amidst the chaos. "Talk to me, Ethan," she whispered softly. "I'm here for you, always." With Amelia's unwavering support, Ethan found the courage to confront his inner demons. He sought help, opening up to a therapist who helped him navigate his thoughts and emotions. Day by day, he learned to silence the voices of doubt and embrace the love and support that surrounded him. As Ethan journeyed through his healing, he began to rediscover his dreams. With each step forward, Amelia stood by his side, her love a guiding light in the darkness. Together, they painted a new canvas of possibilities, fueled not by fear, but by love and hope. Years passed, and Ethan found himself standing on a stage, diploma in hand, the culmination of years of hard work and determination. But the greatest achievement wasn't the piece of paper he held, it was the smile on Amelia's face, radiating pride and love. With his heart full of gratitude, Ethan looked into Amelia's eyes and made a promise, to love her, to cherish her, and to never let the shadows of his mind dim the light of their love. And as they walked hand in hand into the sunset, Ethan knew that no matter what challenges lay ahead, as long as he had Amelia by his side, they could conquer anything, together.